Yeah, so then you do this.
Yeah.
V squared, -1 plus 1.
Uh-huh.
And we can go even further because it said completely.
Mm-hmm.
Get that.
Yeah. Time is small. So wait, how? Um, so you just leave the V alone practically. Like you don't really do much with it.
Yeah, the Y2 stays on the outside, right?
Yeah, so it can be factored better, huh?
Yeah, so you got to type in what I have in the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Y squared.
Oh, why is it not letting me type? Squared. Culture concerns like that. What I do. You. Sometimes have your bacon. Culture concerns. Culture. Right. All right.
Okay, now this one is back to what we saw earlier.
Mm-hmm.
You saw, it's called a perfect square trinomial, which looks like this. So it's U plus 1 squared. That's all.
Damn. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so 25 would have to be by itself though, right?
Yeah, so that's the difference of two squares. So V minus 5, V plus 5. Yeah, that's all.
So when you write when it's a factor of two squares, that's all you write, right?
Correct.
Right. Cold water goes down.
Yeah, this one, you can factor out 3. So you have this, right?
Yeah. So
And then U
be
squared. Sorry, my bad.
mm-hmm.
Let's back up a little bit here. So 3U squared, 16.
Mm-hmm.
minus 9u squared. There we go.
All right. Hmm? Oh, what did I do? Oh, I forgot to do the other one. I'm actually so dumb.
Okay, now next up. Oh, you didn't finish it. Here we go. Yeah, now try again. Okay. So I'm gonna have you guide me through it. Now I've done half of these. Okay, that's the difference of two squares. So here's a
Yeah, so
formula.
we
So what you're gonna write?
u minus 16. Oh no, 4.
U minus 4, and what's the other
And
one?
then u plus 4.
Good, much better now.
Cold blooded, it makes me kind. All right, so
Okay, so this is also a difference of two squares as well. So you have a minus and you have two squares. So what's the square of u squared w squared?
u squared times u squared is u cubed.
No, a square root of this.
Oh, what? Um, 2 or 1?
UW,
Oh,
UW.
2.
And what's square of 49?
7.
You got that.
Do you actually use any of this math in real life?
It's just that we're training to think more logically. That's all it is. It's for.
It's kind of pointless then. Like, no.
No, the logic part, I don't think so. Especially also if you do move on to like more advanced math where you do have to use that, but you do need these skills to help understand the advanced math down the road.
Mhm.
Like if you do like say you want to become like, majoring in business, like you do need calculus. And you have to understand this to do calculus. Because calculus does play a role in a lot of different applications. So yeah, this specifically no, but it plays a small part in the bigger picture.
Mhm.
And overall, just to get you thinking more logically, a lot of people who do study math can
Yeah,
have
hold on.
very strong.
I'm gonna get a glass of milk real quick. I'll be back.
Yeah, good, okay.
All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Now this stuff's easy. Like,
So what's the GCF here?
uh, 2. Oh,
2x cubed.
yeah, 2.
You have 1 minus W4.
Uh,
But remember the W4, the 1 minus W4 can be broken down further.
wait. Oh yeah, it could be. Wait. Wait. So wait. I'm kind of confused. I'm kind of confused on something.
Yeah, what are you confused about?
So with the 2x like cubed,
Hmm?
the 2w, you just keep the 2x cubed on the
Oh,
like on the
2x cubed.
outside.
Sorry. So I meant to put 2x cubed, not 2x squared. My bad. There we go. Were you confused about that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then the 1 minus W4, remember you break it down like this.
No.
But you're still not out of the woods yet
Yeah.
because 1 minus W squared, that's also a difference of 2 squares. Looks like that.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty. This makes sense whenever I think it out,
Okay,
but
good, good. Okay.
whenever I try rushing through it, I just get
Hmm.
lost.
Hmm.
So, hold on, go. Ba-da-bo, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-do. I will now know the name. Height. Hold on. Pictures and past and time. So for this one, what should I do? Look, here's common factor is
Okay,
81
see.
squared.
Yeah, remember that's a perfect square trinomial. So that's going to be
I'm allowed to do the perfect square trinomial in this
no,
only.
you square root those individually.
Yeah.
So what's the square root of 81W squared?
9. 9W.
9W
Yeah.
and square root of 4.
Yeah.
Square root of 4?
Yeah.
No, yeah, what's the square root of 4?
Oh, 2.
Good. And there's a plus in the middle. That's all you gotta do.
Oh, that's
Yeah, yep, pretty easy, right?
I forgot to put the square. Such a silly Billy. One second. All right. Um, all right. So it's the and then I got a question. I still need kind of clarification on how to tell if something's a prime number. Like a prime. I'm not prime number, just prime.
Yeah, prime number. That's prime factor. That's if it just can't be factored. I mean, if there's no GCF and it doesn't follow any of the other things,
Oh,
like if you try doing the diamond or if you try it's not difference two squares. It's kind of like that factoring flow chart I sent you, like which I can send again. It should be in your email. Just kind of go through that flow chart, and if it doesn't really
I
fit
know.
in
So
those
the kid in
things,
my class was like his tutor also taught him the dime method. My teacher says a bunch of baloney or something. It was pretty funny.
your teacher, sorry,
My teacher said it was practically useless.
what is?
Dime method. I'm like, what?
Why is he saying that?
Huh?
Why is he saying that?
Because he uses a different method that's not joking, 10 times harder.
Was
And that
he what method is he using?
he gets the problem, he gets a big chart, and then he writes all the factors of each number, and then translate it, and then counter adds them or something. It takes like it's like 5, 6, 7 steps.
Hmm. Well, your mom did send something about your test corrections, which were perfect, and I don't understand.
I turn them in, and he says, "Well,
And
this."
then the whole AI thing. I don't know if, how you can make an accusation but it's not proof. And I honestly don't think
Yeah, no, and
you've
he's
even
so
done
brilliant.
that.
Like every single person besides me, a lot of people like like, dude, I don't know. I'm not just like people say he's so nice, but only the people who really like thoroughly understand his work, he's like kind of nice and just to.
Hmm. Interesting.
Like
Okay.
I don't know, but he's oblivious. But it's whatever.
Excuse me. Okay. Yeah. So that's that one. So that's
Oh,
probably out the answer.
that happened in history too.
Hmm.
Not for like thinking, but like for notes. He said like I
Hmm.
sent them or something. I'm like no, and
Okay.
then he just didn't follow up on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
Hmm.
AI like it's kind of not good. It's done worse for students than it's done better. It's done negative more negative. It's not like everybody assumes you're like if you actually like I don't know. It's whatever. All right. Yeah, no, like I don't know what this teacher wants. Like I just want to get a C in his class because it's like by far like my worst subject. Um, because if I put like this much effort in all my other subjects, I'll have 100% in each one. But I still get pretty decent grades, like B's and A's. So I'm not really complaining. Biology is pretty hard though. All right.
Okay. So again, you have perfect square trinomial. Um. So you and you actually you only need one.
Uh-huh.
U minus, geez, U minus two and then squared.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Go ahead.
My math teacher is very delusional.
Yeah, yeah. Let me look at email. Yeah, no, I actually know the email. Yeah, so
Yeah,
yeah.
like
Honestly, I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, you just got 2 more months. School year will be over. Get a better
and
teacher
then the
next
best one
year.
is he accuses me of doing that shit in front of the whole class. I mean, that's what's also like.
Have you talked to your advisor or your counselor?
My counselors are no good. They're tools. They're pretty tools.
Well,
They're
you
just
should
as
at least
worse.
you should at least have it documented because at the very least, if it goes to a
I have
higher
like
level,
everything documented.
no,
Like
but you got to document the school too, though. They really should know.
yeah, my mom like CC's like the
Okay,
counts.
well, that's fine. Okay, all right.
But I don't know. I feel like that's kind of like unfair, like calling someone out in front of the whole class. But it's whatever.
Okay, so yeah, I know. Sorry to hear that.
And did you hear
It's
like he name dropped just a bunch of people to my mom during a meeting? Like that's a very unprofessional. It's just
yeah, it sounds like we got some issues there. But I mean, yeah, you're all is almost over, so just have to get through it. Remember, you have difference two. You see, find the GCF, pull it out.
there's a square. It's a square. It's a square because it's 16 is a square. You could
So square root is what?
four.
Yeah, 4 and W and W.
Yeah, four. And then plus W.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, so for this one, wait, no. But it would just be because you take just the two multiples that go. Would it be 9, right? Because you find the square root of that. Be 9 and
Hold on. Let me see the problem.
so would it be like 9 just minus?
Yeah. So now, yeah, keep
No,
going.
no, then you just leave it. It should be 9 minus 8, and that's it, right? Or
9x minus 8, 9x plus 8.
oh, is it? I thought it was just
Yeah.
minus.
Mhm. No, it's two because it's difference of two squares. Remember, the formula is this: something minus something, something plus something. 9x minus 8, 9x plus 8. Right.
Like the teacher, he just reminded me, like, if I were to cheat, I'll cheat way smarter than whatever he's accusing me.
Hmm.
Like, it just pisses me off. Like, he's like,
Yeah, I'm
you don't
sorry.
need to deal with this. Like,
It's a baseless
people think I don't like
accusation.
the school. Like, seriously, it's like the biggest, like, the school's like, it's helpless. First of all, it's in,
Is there a trusted adult you have on the campus you could talk to that like maybe another teacher
yeah, no,
or
there is my religion teacher. He's a guy, but
then I would do that. That might be good because then
yeah, but
that's someone who could advocate for you. Because if but you should at least your mom or somebody at least document it with the school counselor.
yeah. You're paying $30,000 for a mediocre education, and the school is kind of a joke. Now it's going like in a downward spiral just for some stuff that
Well,
happened.
maybe it'll be better next year.
Did 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 you guys get informed of what happened? Sacred Heart?
It's something about connections,
No,
cyberbullying. What do you know? Well, I got something from my principal. What happened?
it's basically. Are you still recording?
I could pause. Hold on.
Hey, pause this real quick.
No, I think I know. Or might what this is this something happened 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the next problem? I think there's one more left.
Mm.
Or
No.
or was that it? We finished it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's submit it.
Coach Water,
Okay.
I think that's mainly it. Then my mom was thinking about having like maybe like a session tomorrow or like this weekend.
Yeah, would 6 o'clock work for you tomorrow?
Oh yeah,
It
that would
does?
for sure work.
Okay. So yeah, so I can put you then for tomorrow.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me put you down for that. And then let's just do a little more practice. We'll do it for about 10 more minutes, so then we can wrap up our call.
All right.
Just give me 1 second. Just gotta just check some here really quickly here.
Download.
Yes, review. Okay, I could do that in just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Um, yeah, I'll stop sharing. I'll share my screen. Hold on. That was from your mom, actually, not from you.
How do you read all of your emails? Like,
It's all organized very well. I mean, hold on. Well, your mom
you
just
seem a
sent this.
pretty,
Well,
you
hold on.
seem very organized, but
Hold on. Tutoring.
I mean, yeah, I'm like,
Wait, hold on.
I'm not one of the most like organized people, but like, I'm
Oh,
not
it's
like,
right here. Never
I'm
mind.
not very disorganized, but like,
Okay, there we go.
yeah, man.
Yes, we did some of these the other day. So this is not wholly new. But just remember, our approach here. I mean, you could do a trial and error if you want, but the diamond is actually pretty quick. So I think what your teacher's doing, your teacher's listing all the possible factors of
Yep,
this.
that's what he does. It takes so long, it's
Negative
pointless.
112, 1, negative 12,
Uh,
2, -6, -2. I mean, in a way, we're kind of doing that. I mean, it's
yeah, but
not
it's quicker. It's not that much work.
well, the thing is that you have to find the pair that
Yeah.
adds to that. I think he's saying just to make the list, not to do the diamond. I think that's what he's saying, and pick the pair that works. The pair that works is, of course, -2 and 6.
Uh-huh.
And that's your answer, x minus 2, x plus 6.
Yeah.
And that's that. So, um, and you kind of do the same thing for 8. But once you get very good with it, like, it's x and x, -4 and 3. Like here, you see how it's w minus 3,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
w plus 2. We're here, y minus 2, y minus 4.
Uh-huh.
Here, t minus c, you kind of just start rolling, right?
Yeah.
Even though it's reversed,
Uh-huh. I need a haircut. I need a
right?
haircut. I need a haircut.
So yeah, that's what's happening there.
How many more meetings do you have tonight till like 10 p.m. or something?
Still got 3 more. So yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, we got a little break right after you. So yeah, but like like here, this is r minus 6, r plus 2, and so forth. So yeah, so those are the easy ones. The ones where it gets a little more challenging, where your teacher's technique I would not agree with, because um it just be too challenging. Like for example, for number 23, I'll do the diamond and put 6,
I should.
and then you gotta find the two numbers that which probably be
I wouldn't say. Yeah. Hold on.
the heck, 9, 8. Well, okay, are you back?
Yeah, I'll be back. Hold on. I should
Okay.